Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about this wig. Yeah, let's get into it. This is a 13 by 6, a 20-inch Brazilian Remy hair. It is in the kinky texture. So I have the lace without the fake scalp. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the unboxing portion of this video. So if you saw the unboxing, you would have seen that I bleached the knots on my wig, and that's just a personal preference that I like to do. Now I'm going to come back to you guys when the hair is fully dried, and then we're going to close off this video and we're going to give my final thoughts. It is gorgeous. If this is kinky, I'm feeling a little kinky girl. It looks so cute. So this hair is gorgeous. It reminds me of my mom's hair, and I always wished that I had her hair texture, but God did not bless me with that. So it is what it is, right? You can't win them all. Check out the website, you guys, because they have a lot of beautiful wigs. If you like that HD lace, this is your plug. Look how full this is, and this is just the 150 density, guys. Get into it. So I wanted to come back and show you guys what it looked like dry, because this video, it's in a bunch of different parts, but I wanted to show you guys, you know, in depth what it looks like when it's dry, when it's wet, how it looks when you style it. So that is why this video is the way that it is, but I think that's better. That's a good thing. Who doesn't want to have a more informative review? I mean, I do. Regardless, you can go up to 26 inches in this wig. It's super cute. If you want something that is lightweight, that looks really natural, that's very comfortable, and there's still lots of room. Like, I have it on the smaller one to make it smaller, and it's still roomy. This wig just feels so comfortable. Like, I can literally wear this wig all day. I don't like sleeping in my wigs, so I like to take them off at the end of the night and just be free. But this is one that I could sleep in, so I don't really feel like it's tight or anything like that. With this hair, you ain't gonna have a bad hair day, I'll tell you that much, because it looks cute when it's wet, but it also looks cute when it's dry. As you can see, I prefer it dry, and I did put some conditioner in it, but originally when I did it the first time around, I didn't put anything and it dried beautifully. It tends to get bigger when you put the blow dryer on it, but if you don't want it to have this much volume, you literally will comb through it with a Denman brush or a wet brush. It's super flexible. Brush through it and leave it. Don't touch it, don't apply no heat, and then it'll dry more defined and sleek. Anyways, guys, I've rambled on for too long, for far too long. If you haven't done this already, subscribed, what are you doing? Do it. please. It really helps my channel out. Continue to watch these videos. Over the next 2 months, I'm going to be doing giveaways, so stick around and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss that. And like I said, watch these videos until the end so you know where I dabble those giveaways, because it's going to be a mystery, okay guys? So until next time guys, I gotta go. Bye.